Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rainbow gradient to text in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool. Okay, so let's jump into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in canva.com and we're just going to come over and just going to create a blank template. So what we're going to do is we are now going to add some text. So if we come over to the left hand side, if you click on this text button, add a text box, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to type in Guide Infinity. Amazing. Okay, so what you then want to do is you just want to change the text to however you want, and then change the size as well. So make sure it's big enough for you. Cool. Amazing. Okay, so once you have then got the text the right style and the right size, what you then want to do is, if you've got the Pro version, if you come over to the left hand side, click on Elements, and if you then type in rainbow, and then you'll be able to go click on rainbow background, and then you can see you've got lots of different images there. But if you don't have the Pro version, what you then want to do is you want to come over and say go to Google, and you want to type in rainbow, and then type in background. Amazing. Okay, and then we can see that you've got lots of gorgeous images. So see which one you like the most. I think that's quite cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that. So right click and do save image, and then let's do rainbow. Perfect. Amazing. And then what you want to do is you want to come back to Canva, and then we want to click on uploads. You want to upload files. So let's upload our rainbow. And then once it is loaded, you want to then drag it over. Here we go. Okay, so drag it over to your Canva template and make sure that it sort of covers the writing. Amazing. What you then want to do is click on your text, highlight it, change the color of it to white. You then want to come up to the top and you want to click on this square that says transparency, and you want to take the transparency down to about 50%. Amazing. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, press share, download, and then download it as a PNG. So amazing. Once that has then downloaded, what you want to do is then come over to uploads, and then you want to upload it to Canva. So what we'll do is, there we go, upload it there. Okay, and then what you want to do is, there we go. So we've just uploaded it, we've cleared everything. So we've now got a blank template. So if you have Canva Pro, what you would then want to do is remove the background. So we've got our image selected. If you come up to the top and press edit photo, you can do background remover. And there we go. You can see that it has done that, and we have now got that rainbow gradient on our text. If you don't have Canva Pro, what you can do is come and open up a new tab and do BG remover, and then you'll be able to do it. It'll be able to remove your background for free. So here we go, got remove.bg, and it will do that free. So you can upload your image. So if we do this, and I'll just show you, and it will remove it for you. Perfect. And then you can hit the download button. So what we then do is we're now in Canva, and then what you want to do is you just want to edit this, as obviously you can see it's a little bit sort of light and faded. So if you come to adjust, and then if you come down and do saturation, you can then increase that. Vibrance as well, you can increase that, and then you can just see that that's just made that really pop for us, and it looks super amazing. So that is how to add rainbow gradient to text in Canva. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. We appreciate it so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.